You silly man. You silly man. What you doing? Look at you, a silly man. Come on. Come on, let's go. Silly man. What you gonna do? Oh, big stretches. Oh, big yawns. Yes, there's a good boy. Who's coming? Who's coming? Who's coming? Who is that? Who's coming? Lucy! Hi, Lucy! Hi, Lou! Tucker and Lou gonna play. Play, play, play. Come on, Lulu, play with me. I will lick your face. I love you, Lucy. They all smell good because they just got baths last night because they smelled like frog swamp. Because they went swimming this weekend. Does she taste good? Ugh. Kisses. Doggy kisses. Oh, big stretch from Lulu Bean. Plump. Lazy dogs. That's some lazy dogs. Yeah, that's some lazy dogs. Tucker, you lazy dog. Ugh. Mid-morning nap. Yep, mid-morning nap. Is that all you guys are going to do? You're not going to play? No, we're going to lay here. Yeah, we're just going to lay here. Okay.